This is a breaking news alert from 7 Action News.
State Supreme Court Justice Diane Hathaway plans to leave the Supreme Court. Ross Jones is here now with more. Ross, you investigated this judge in some, real estate dealings earlier this year. Tell us what she's saying this afternoon.
Well, it looks like she will be retiring January 21st, Joanne. Diane Hathaway's lawyer, Steve Fishman, confirming to me that she actually began this process on December 21st. She began the formal procedures to resign, or I should say retire, from the Supreme Court. You'll remember it was a 7 Action News investigation that first raised questions back in May about a property shuffle that Hathaway and her husband had been involved in. They moved properties in and out of their name around the same time. They were asking their bank to forgive $600,000 in mortgage debt. We raised those questions, including chief of which was why a $750,000 home in Florida moved out of her name and into a stepdaughter's. She had no answers then. That led to an FBI investigation, which then led to a civil complaint filed by the U.S. attorney. A grand jury investigation right now we believe is still ongoing. It was escalating to the point where we believe there would have to be some testimony from possibly her children and others, including stepchildren of hers.
That could still happen, right, Ross?
It could still happen, and it does raise some questions as to whether or not this retirement is some sort of a possible global settlement that she and her lawyer are trying to work out. There's a lot of possibilities here, but what we do know right now is that she is going to retire January 21st. This comes just a few minutes after the Judicial Tenure Commission filed a formal complaint against her, essentially accusing her of what the FBI and U.S. attorney had, fraud and money laundering. But she is right now not going to be a Supreme Court justice for much longer. She will be retiring on January 21st.
You broke the story, Ross, a couple months ago and been following it along the way. You mentioned this Judicial Tenure Commission complaint again. That was just announced probably an hour and a half ago. Yeah. We were breaking in and telling our viewers. But again, the judge, or not the judge, her attorney making it clear that she began this process back in December. Yeah,
I mean, that there was a JTC complaint seemed to surprise him because it seems like the JTC should have known she was going to be stepping down, retiring in about a month. So why the timing of this worked out the way it did is not clear to him. But the justice will not be a justice much longer.
All right. Ross Jones, great reporting as always. I know you'll have the very latest for us coming up today on 7 Action News at 5.